Hey guys, welcome to the Big Stoney Homestead. Today we're going to do our morning chores, get started on our new Premier 1 fence. We're going to get that installed for our meat chickens. We got to go clear a little bit of area for it. We're going to rotate them on pasture, see how that works. We tried the chicken tractor. We just want to try the Premier 1 with a shawl. See if it gives them a little bit better, happier life. So we will head up and clear out a spot, take you along, show you the route. Good morning, guineas. Good morning, quackers. Time to let the chickies out. We'll give you a tour of the chicken coop along with our morning chores, show you how everything's done. Morning, girls. We are wired up with electricity in here. We have intentions, we got to build laying boxes. We want to go in this area and this area, and then down along the bottom here and here. The door going out to their run. Got a 5-gallon water set up here for them. Bucket of feed. It is actually set up on a cable system and loops to over here. We can pull it down, hook it, and be able to clean out from underneath everything, which it's about due for a cleaning now. We have 2 small rooms. On these rooms, I built 4-foot high walls with 6-foot door, and we attach curtain. That way, when they're not in use, we can actually roll the curtain up out of the way. On the left room, it's just made to stay here as a permanent brooder. On the right room, which we have a rooster in right now because our 2 have been fighting pretty heavy. But the right hand wall over here actually is on hinges and will fold inward and give that back to actually coop space. In our little brooder room, we have our meat chickens. They're about 3 weeks old now. 1 more week and we will be putting them outside in pasture, and 5 more weeks they'll be ready to process. Today we caught this little guy in our trap near our chicken coop. So we're going to take him away from the property, relocate him. He hasn't caused any problems yet. We just kind of keep ahead of things. I managed to catch another raccoon this morning, or last night. Trying to keep them out of our chickens. This one's not happy to be caught. We'll take him a little further away from the property and set him loose. Alright guys, we got a hold of a black snake next to our chicken coop. It was laying under a piece of tin. With anything non-poisonous, well, we don't dispatch it unless we catch it in the coop, and then even then we will still relocate them. They are very beneficial. Anytime you have a farm, any type of feed, you're going to have field mice running around. So we caught him, put him in a bucket. We're going to go ahead and let him go. Release them back to nature. Let them continue to help us out. All animals are beneficial in one way or another. Sometimes you just don't want them right in your chicken coop. We're up top here in our little field. This is right now the only cleared land we have on the property. Everything else is wooded. We're going to cut some of this grass. These birds are 4 weeks old. They're about 8 inches tall, so this grass is too tall. And also give a line for our Premier 1 fence so it doesn't ground out. We will start cleaning this, and then we will set the fence up, get ready to get the chickens in. Now that we got the perimeter done, we'll just go back on the inside and knock the tall grass down. That way they'll have good level of grass to eat on, and then we'll start setting up our fence. Alright, we got the grass knocked down to a more manageable height. Now let's get the fence unboxed and get it set up. See what it looks like. Alright, we have the Premier 1 chicken fence, poultry netting, I guess is the proper term. Well, it looks like the camera died on me while I was trying to untangle everything at the start. There was two, well, I can show you. At the start when you unbox this, there's these two end clips. They keep your power circulating all the way around. And they were tied together, so when I pulled the first stake off, this stake come with it and got a big tangle. If you disconnect those and everything rolls out, everything rolled out fine. Took me about 15 minutes to set this up by myself. I was a little off in my cutting, but we still have line. They do make extra stakes that you can put tension with. With these being meat birds, they can't fly. So we're not going to worry too much about that. But this is our first time trying out the poultry netting. We wanted the shocker knot, which has the poultry fence that doesn't shock them on the inside, just keeps them from escaping, and then the outside shocks anything trying to get in. with everything going on with COVID, it was difficult to even get this netting through Premier One. So we're going to try this out. We're going to build our chickshaw, give him some shade, everything to get out of the weather, sun, and see how it works.
They're all like, oh, where's my friend? There you go. Right, now your turn. Can I start? Good girl, Macy. Oh, they're pecking each other.